What's up mga kaloksis? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog guys is gagawa kami ng catering, which is kami po ang mag-organize lahat. Ginagawa po ito ng mga second year college graduating. So guys, andito kami ngayon sa Bakuran, Parcotela, Nueva Ecija, or Parcotela, Gapan, Nueva Ecija. So ayun po guys. Papakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga gagawin namin kung paano mabubuo yung isang catering.
If you ask me, I'd say, please be careful, my love. Our paths will lead the same. If you want me to say, don't keep me waiting for it. We can't change the things we can't control. It's almost summer, so it shouldn't be so cold. We can't change the things we can't control. It's almost summer, so it shouldn't be so cold. You can't even look me in the eye if you try. We can try, we can try. I see us, 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 we can try. We can try, we can try.
And ito na po yung kasunod na video, which is nag-aayos na po kami dito. Nag-aayos na po kami ng pang souvenir and for the gift. So ayan po yung team. Hi!
Hi! Welcome to my vlog!
So ang kailangan ko lang po gawin is i-picturean yung bawat mga ganyan. Mga ganyan, yan. Lahat na, para pang document po namin.
He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me.
So guys, andito na yung mga parents namin. Ay, hindi ko pala parents, tropa ko pala. So yung iba po is parents nila, pero yung akin po is tropa kasi busy po yung mami ko. So yung flow naman po ng event is okay lang. Pero parang medyo uulan po siya. Ayan, Diyos ko Lord, wag naman sana. Outfit check lahay.
Magpaparapol na po tayo.